In this video, we will discuss how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here in their HubSpot. And once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is to just proceed to click onto the actual Outlook option or to this marketplace option, what we can find right here. Proceed to click on this and click on HubSpot Marketplace. From in there, you can see your app marketplace. So proceed to search right here for Microsoft Outlook. So you can see in here other apps as well. Click on Outlook that you have. And then for this case, click on install. As you can see, it requires Outlook subscription, so do take note of that. Click on install right here, and then this will direct you to a new tab. It will direct you to the Microsoft Marketplace as well. So for this, it may actually added right there. Click on the this get it now. Enter right here your Microsoft account if you haven't signed in yet. So once you have done that, you can just continue with this. Once you have signed in, just proceed to enter right here your details. So let's enter right here our country. And once you do, click on this get it now option. And then this will take you to HubSpot Sales to complete the actual integration process. So wait for this to be completed directly. For this, you need to create an Outlook email to continue. So proceed to add right here the Outlook email that you want to actually use directly into your HubSpot. Click on next, and then in here we have the Outlook thumbnail. Now just proceed with this. And then after following the on-screen instructions, it should be able to allow you to get this directly onto your HubSpot. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. So if you haven't signed up yet as well, you can make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.